and welcome to Leka Patterns tutorial of Reversible Dress. The pattern you can get at our online shop or at Etsy. The direct links you can find below at the description of the video. The dress you can wear both sides to make it two different colors. The dress has the ribbon straps so you can control the neckline. There is possible another way of the dress without the ribbon straps. That means that you cannot control the neckline each time. Here you can add the ribbons separated. First, mark the darts. Mark the point on the panel with the help of the pattern and connect it with the notches. Make the darts. Start from the side. If the fabric is pretentious, it is not necessary to make back stitching at the beginning or at the end of the dart. You can simply tie the threads in order to secure the seam. Iron the seams of the darts. Place the panels of front and back on each other, good sides inside. Pin together. And join them at the sides. For this dress we make 1 cm seam allowances. Iron the seams and serge the sides. Make another layer of the dress the same way. Put one dress into another, match them at the good sides, and pin together at the main points. Join the details at armholes and the necklines. Serge just armholes. For nice and pointy neckline, make a notch. Be careful and leave 0.2 cm till the seam. If you want to make the dress without ribbon straps, now you're gonna see the next steps for it. Take one strap, turn it out and bring it into another strap. The good sides should match with each other, the colors also. In this case, green with green, blue with blue. Take attention that you see another strap at the good side. Make even with each other and sew it. The same way make another side straps. Turn the dress out and the dress is ready. You can add the 2 ribbons if you wish. Another version of the dress is with the ribbon straps which you tie at the shoulders. Let's continue from the part where you make the notch at the neckline. Prepare the ribbon straps. Match the details and join together at the 3 sides. Trim seam allowances and the corners. It helps to make nicer ends of the straps when you turn it out. Turn out the straps to the good side. We use this time a ruler. Iron the ribbons. Take one ribbon strap and put it inside between both layers. Match the colors, make the edges even with each other, pin together and sew it. You can also serge these parts. Turn the dress together with the straps out. The last step is to hem. You can make 1 or 2 centimeters folds, it's up to you. We make 1 centimeter twice. You can stitch the fold, it will help to make a nice hem. Make a seam as close as you can to the folded edge. Iron the hem. That's it. Congratulations! You have 2 new dresses in one. Enjoy it!